Hi, I'm Annette from PartyWow. Today I'd like to show you something else from our Sesame Street party range. Today we have Confetti. It is a bag of 1.2 ounce, which is 34 grams. The confetti is Sesame Street range. So I'll just show you what it actually looks like when scattered on the table. So these are the Sesame Street characters, and basically you just put them along the table and they'll be spread out along the whole table, whatever that may be, trestle, rectangle or round. You also have some letters, ABCs. And once again, just scatter them out. And then some numbers, 1 to 9. So there's quite a lot in a packet. So people generally use them as table decorations, but you can also use them in your party invitations. So you just put them in with your invitation inside the envelope. Then when the person opens up the envelope, these scattles will sort of sprinkle out at them. They're also good to even put in party bags. So if you have any questions about this item or anything else in our Sesame Street range, please put a message below and subscribe to us to see more videos in the future.
Sunny day, sleeping up.